Hello and welcome back to E2C English. In today's lecture, we will discuss compound preposition. So let's start with the definition of compound preposition. What they are. A compound preposition is a type of preposition that consists of two or more words. These words work together to convey a single, more specific relationship between the elements in a sentence. Compound prepositions often function similarly to single-word prepositions, but provide additional nouns or specificity. So there are various compound prepositions such as according to, because of, in front of, on account of, in addition to, by means of, due to, in spite of, with regard to, instead of, and a lot of other compound prepositions. First one is according to. According to preposition acts like a guide, pointing to the source or reference of information. Let's understand it by example. According to the weather forecast, it will rain tomorrow. Because of. This one is all about causation, highlighting the reason or cause behind an action or situation. She missed the meeting because of heavy traffic. In front of. In front of specifies a location or position relative to something else. The cat is sitting in front of the fireplace. On account of. It is likely formal on account of expresses the reason or cause for a particular outcome. The event was cancelled on account of bad weather. In addition to. In addition to signals the inclusion of something extra or supplementary. In addition to her regular job, she takes evening classes. By means of. By means of denotes the method or mechanism through which something is done. For example, the message was conveyed by means of a letter. Due to. A close cousin of because of. Due to attributes a cause to a particular situation. The flight was delayed due to technical issues. In spite of. In spite of expresses contrast or opposition to an expected situation. For example, in spite of the rain, they decided to go for a picnic. Instead of. It's all about making choices. Instead of indicates a decision or substitution of one thing for another. For example, she chose tea instead of coffee. Apart from. Apart from suggests exclusion or exception, emphasizing distinctiveness. For example, apart from the weather, everything else was perfect. Owing to. Owing to is similar to because of. Owing to attributes a cause or reason to a particular situation. For example, the match was cancelled owing to heavy rain. Regardless of. Regardless of expresses a lack of consideration for something, emphasizing determination. For example, she pursued her dreams regardless of the challenges. In between. In between denotes a position between two or more objects or locations. The bookstore is in between the library and the cafe. Thank you. Thank you for joining with us.